Well, if your Samsung Watch 9 can't connect into your phone, let me show you a few tips how you can fix this. First of all, I will highly recommend you to switch off Bluetooth on your smartphone. Right now, just go back to the main settings page. And right now, you will have to navigate into the general management and you have to basically search for reset options and simply try to reset the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth settings. This is like super simple operation, but often it helps. It will unfortunately disconnect you from the Wi-Fi, but also it will restore all default Bluetooth settings. So if you did it, right now, you will have to go into the Google Play Store because as you know, this watch, we have to connect into the Galaxy Wearable application. If you already got it on your phone, just simply uninstall it and get it one more time on your device. Or if you get it, and you got update available, make sure that you are going to update. Now, don't open it, but go to the settings and open connections. Now you will have to turn on the Bluetooth. There we go. And now it will start scanning for nearby devices. As you can see, we can actually find our device. But let's say that still you cannot find your watch. So what you can also do, well, basically, you can just simply restart this device. Not reset, just restart. So we have to just power off, wait for a few moments, and after that, you can just turn it on again by holding the home button. It will also enter for pairing mode one more time on this device. So as you can see right now, we can try to turn it on. And the additional thing, if you still cannot find it here, you can also try to restart your phone. Often, this simple method will actually allow you to start using your device. So now as you can see, for me, I will just go for selection. And now a very important thing, we have to accept every permission, every notification to be connected properly. As you can see, I've got this connection, so I have to click here and click here to confirm. Now everything goes pretty good. As you can see right now, it will start downloading the additional Watch Manager plugin. So make sure that you have stable connection to the Wi-Fi or mobile data, because without this Watch Manager, it will be not possible to use it. But let's say that it is actually downloading and then it suddenly stops working. So what you can do, well, you can basically go for the search in the Google Play Store and input this Watch Manager phrase, and you can just download this like, manually. So you are looking for a Watch Manager with this kind of the review points and 100K downloads. This is the details of this plugin that we are looking for. Even you can take a look how it looks by showing all of those, screenshots. And you can even check for some reviews to confirm. Now, when we are here, we can just go back and you should accept this user license agreement, click continue, accept everything. And now as you can see, the connection goes pretty stable. Let me know if it works.